Now we'll learn how to write these class methods outside the class, because they could be very long programs here. So we have a way where only prototypes are declared inside a class and the method is written outside. The way it is done is, say, we'll write here. This program was the same program which we did in last exercise. We'll modify this program so that these methods are written outside. First, what we'll do is that we'll simply copy this method outside and do some cleaning up operations. Here we'll do it here itself. That side equal to P will write inside so that this comes in one line. Here this also will do this way, that this line comes in one line. Okay, so these are cleaned up, and here also we'll do this way, that this return area comes in the same line. We can write into multiple lines also, there is no harm, but just to be neater on writing code. And here what we'll do is that these will be simply the way we define prototypes. Prototypes are defined by simply, this will not have a return type, so this will be directly like this only, because this is a constructor. This will have a return type, function name, and the values what we pass. So we have ended up here, so this function will not be here, and we'll ended up here, prototype here itself. But definitions obviously we have to write somewhere, so we can write it here as, see, this name is square, and within square resolution we'll use this resolution operator, that this will be its function definition. And here within square, let me correct this spelling. Within square is the class name. We have a function like this, and within this we have a function like read area. So here I am using this resolution operator, which is double colons, to tell me that this function definition is actually for this class. And since this prototype is already there in the class, this function will work. Okay, and this is a special case where I am using scoping for a constructor, and this is scoping for a method, right? And believe me, this is a simpler way of doing it, because what happens is, whatever size of code you want to write, you can extend that code outside the class easily, and this will remain the same because we do want to do the same thing. Just see again, this, all the methods in the class has been, constructor is also a type of method only. All the methods have been written outside the class, because class ends here using the class name and the resolution operator, and whatever is the return type comes before this name. Here there is no return type, so it doesn't come. Let us run this now. Save and run this. It should do the same job because same program has been modified, but all the things have been written outside the class. So this way we must know it, writing class methods definition outside class, and this we also call it methods and constructor scoping. Methods and constructor scoping, because we are using this scope resolution operator here. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.